Welcome to Chapter 4, Define. Over the next 4 lessons, this project goes from a promising idea to an agreement a whole team can stand behind. And it starts with the charter. 19 fields, and every one of them exists to end a specific argument before it starts. First, the one-line objective, up in the project header. Cut average first response from 9.2 business hours to under 2. Save. Now the charter itself. Edit, and every field opens up. The team section answers, who does what? Priya sponsors it, she pays for the time. Marcus Webb owns the process, he runs support day to day. Alex handles program management, and the project team lists everyone doing the work, including Dana Kim from the front line. Project overview is where the numbers live. Strategic alignment ties this to something the business already cares about. The FY26 retention goal, and response speed as the top theme in exit interviews. The business case puts money on it. Slow support shows up in one of 3 churn exit notes, roughly $150,000 of annual recurring revenue at risk. And the goal metric turns the wish into a measurement. 90% of tickets answered within 2 business hours by end of Q4. Specific, measurable, dated. Deliverables close the section. A triage flow, a coverage model, and a live dashboard. Scope is the argument ender. In scope, email and web tickets, business hours. Out of scope, phone support, enterprise SLA accounts, after-hours coverage. 6 months from now, when someone asks why the phone queue didn't improve, this field answers for you. Then the drivers. What customers actually want, a fast first contact, and the quiet benefits, a calmer queue and fewer escalations. Leverage asks what already exists, and what can this feed later? Priya's macro cleanup is already underway, and the same triage pattern could serve the billing queue next. Risks deserve honesty. Agents could game the metric with empty first replies, so we write that down now while it's cheap. Constraints, no new headcount, same ticketing system. Assumptions, volume stays near 1,100 tickets a month. And stakeholders, everyone who'll feel this change. Save charter. And the ring fills, 19 of 19. One more view worth knowing, switch from section to full, and the whole charter reads as a single document, ready for a sponsor to review line by line. That's a project definition you can defend in any meeting. Next lesson, the plan. 5 DMAIC phases with real dates on the working calendar you set up back in Chapter 2. See you there.